say too much of something, you use sugiru in Japanese. It sounds simple, but some sentences like I got up too early is a bit hard to see how this can be used. This video explains how to say this sentence in Japanese and how you can say other similar sentences in Japanese. Sugiru is called a helping verb, which changes the original verb to add the meaning. For example, 食べる to eat can be changed to 食べすぎる to mean eat too much. Similarly, 飲みすぎる means drink too much. Sugiru can also be applied to an adjective to make the same type of effect. For example, おいしい means delicious, but if you say おいしすぎる, it means too delicious. Similarly, 面白すぎる means too funny. So, how about I got up too early? The confusion comes from where should we apply sugiru in this sentence? Should we conjugate the verb or an adjective? Actually, this early here is not an adjective, but it's an adverb. If you notice this, then we can start making a sentence in Japanese. Let's first make a sentence, I got up early in Japanese. It's 早く起きました。早く起きました。Now, you should conjugate the ending of this sentence. So it becomes 早く起きすぎました。Please note that すぎました is the past tense long form of すぎる. Here are more examples. How do you say, I ate too quickly? First, make a sentence for I ate quickly, which is 急いで食べました. Then, change the ending of the verb, so it becomes 急いで食べすぎました. I ate too quickly. Here's another one. How do you say, I arrived too late? If you want to think about it for a moment, you can pause this video before getting to the answer. Are you ready? The answer is 遅く着きすぎました. I hope this video helped you with the use of 過ぎる. If you have any suggestions as to what you want to know, please comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe too. Thank you for watching.